Printables that sell. Make money on Etsy with simple designs. Creative entrepreneurs. Rising profits. Etsy has become the go-to platform for turning simple, unique designs into steady streams of income. What makes certain printables irresistible to buyers? Is it the design, the functionality, or the ease of access? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind best-selling Etsy printables, how to create them without a graphic design degree, and the strategies that can turn your shop into a thriving business. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Why are printables so popular? What makes printables such a hot item on Etsy? Etsy has seen a huge surge in demand for digital products, especially printables. These are downloadable items like planners, journals, checklists, and trackers, which customers can instantly print at home. No waiting for shipping. No complicated returns. Just immediate satisfaction. The appeal. Printables offer a cheap, convenient way to access useful tools without the high price tag of physical products. Imagine being able to sell the same product over and over, with no additional shipping costs or inventory management. It's an entrepreneur's dream. But the best part? You don't need to be a design expert to get started. With a few simple tools, you can create and sell beautiful printables, turning your creativity into a passive income stream. Step 1. Find your niche. Where will you fit in? How do you stand out in a crowded marketplace like Etsy? The key to success on Etsy is to find your niche. The printable market is full of products, so narrowing down your focus helps you cater to a specific group. Whether it's fitness planners, budget trackers, wedding organizers, or even self-care worksheets, there's a printable for almost anything. The trick? Research. Check out what's trending and what people are searching for. Google Trends, Pinterest, and Etsy itself can give you insights into what customers are looking for. Once you identify a niche, you can create designs tailored to that audience, making your shop the go-to place for that type of printable. Step 2. Simple design tools that make magic happen. Do you need professional design skills to create printables that sell? Here's the truth. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create eye-catching printables. You just need the right tools and a bit of creativity. One of the easiest and most popular tools for creating printables is Canva. Canva has a wide range of templates for planners, journals, calendars, and more. You can easily customize these templates to suit your niche. Canva's drag-and-drop features make it beginner-friendly, and there are tons of free resources you can use to start designing. You can also use Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop if you're looking for more advanced features. But trust me, Canva will work just fine if you're just starting out. When designing, remember to focus on clarity and functionality. Your customers are looking for tools that are not only visually appealing but also useful. A well-designed planner or checklist should be intuitive and easy to use. So keep that in mind while designing. Step 3. Setting up your Etsy shop, where the magic begins. How you take your designs and turn them into a money-making business. Creating your Etsy shop is a breeze. You'll need to sign up for an account, name your shop, and fill out some basic details. But here's the catch. Your shop name is crucial. It should be catchy, memorable, and aligned with your niche. A name like The Wellness Planner could attract customers interested in health-focused printables. For example, once your shop is set up, it's time to list your printables. For each product, you'll need to add a high-quality image, even if it's just a mock-up of your printable, a description, and relevant tags. Pro tip: use your product description to sell the benefits of your printable. Tell your customers how it will make their lives easier or more organized. The better your copy, the more likely your products are to sell. Step 4. Marketing your printables. How do you get eyes on your work? How do you get people to discover your amazing designs on Etsy? You've got your shop set up and you're ready to sell, but how do you get people to actually buy? Marketing is the next crucial step. The best way to start marketing your printables is through social media. Pinterest is especially effective because it's all about sharing ideas and inspiration. Perfect for printables. Create engaging pins that showcase your designs, and don't forget to link them to your Etsy shop. Instagram is another great platform for sharing visuals. You can post sneak peeks of your printables, behind-the-scenes shots of your design process, and even testimonials from happy customers. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about SEO, search engine optimization. The keywords you use in your Etsy listings play a huge role in how people find your products. Do some research on what keywords are trending in your niche and use them in your titles, descriptions, and tags. The more targeted and relevant your keywords, the higher your chances of showing up in search results. Step 5. Scaling your business. How to make more sales. What happens when your printable business starts picking up steam? Once your Etsy shop starts gaining traction, it's time to think about scaling. One of the best ways to do this is by expanding your product range. If you started with planners, you could add trackers, habit sheets, or to-do lists to complement your existing products. Another great strategy is to bundle your printables. For example, you could bundle a weekly planner with a meal prep sheet and a grocery list, offering more value while increasing the average order size. As you expand, keep an eye on your customer feedback. Are people requesting certain types of printables? Are there recurring themes in the reviews? Listening to your customers can help guide your future designs. Step 6. Monetize through multiple channels. As your Etsy shop grows, it's time to start thinking about how you can earn even more by expanding beyond just your Etsy storefront. By using additional platforms and monetization methods, you can increase both visibility and revenue. Diversify your platforms. While Etsy is a great platform to start with, consider branching out to other online marketplaces to further reach your target audience. Some good options for selling digital printables include Creative Market, a marketplace for digital designs, similar to Etsy, but with a more design-focused audience. Gumroad, a platform that allows creators to sell their digital products directly to customers, with fewer fees compared to Etsy. Facebook Marketplace and Groups. Use Facebook to sell printables directly or join niche groups that focus on specific interests related to your printables. Real success stories. Can printables really be a full-time business? Can selling printables actually become a successful business? You bet! There are real people out there making serious income from their printable shops on Etsy. Take Rachel Jimenez for example. She started selling planners and other digital products on Etsy, and now makes around $9,500 a month from her shop. She credits her success to consistently offering in-demand products and optimizing her listings for better visibility. Or how about Gia Asher, a stay-at-home mom from Australia who turned her Etsy printable business into a six-figure side hustle. Gia spends just a few hours each day working on her designs, and yet her income from Etsy continues to grow. She advises new sellers to focus on SEO and maintain high-quality products, which has helped her attract customers consistently. Tips for long-term success. How do you keep growing? How can you keep your business thriving long-term? Here are a few tips for continued success. Number 1. Consistency is key. Keep posting new products regularly. Etsy favors active shops with fresh listings. Number 2. Stay engaged with your customers. Respond to customer inquiries quickly and professionally. Positive reviews can significantly boost your reputation. Number 3. Optimize your listings. Continually test your titles, tags, and product descriptions to see what works best for your target audience. Number 4. Track your data. Etsy provides useful analytics on your shop's performance. Use this information to tweak your strategies for better results. So, which printable idea caught your eye? Are you ready to start your Etsy journey? Share your thoughts and favorite design concepts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into creative side hustles and online success. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired, stay creative, and let's turn those designs into dollars.